January 15th, 2024. Off in the darkness we go. 44-kilometer winds. Trees are moving. I try to make a little video for everyone. My hands froze within seconds. Not minutes, seconds. My left hand is frozen already. I'll get closer to the GoPro. Let's go see what's out here. Ooh. There's definitely more snow. Ooh. Ooh. Oh! Yeah. Trees are making a lot of squeaking and squealing. If you're afraid of the dark, this would freak you out. Hoorah. Yeah, if you don't got gear on, like I said, no. Look, boom. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go freak out the Straits. Yeah. Ooh, got some deep crusted snow in here. Yeah. Ooh, I'm actually struggling in here. Well, that's where leg day comes in. Oh. Oh, wind almost blew me over. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, plantar fasciitis. Take care of your feet, everyone. Oh. Trees are squeaking. Ooh. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Ooh. It's almost like the snow is hard snow. Fresh powder, it's pretty hard. I don't know who or what is out here right now. But there's no trash, so it looks like me. Yeah. Oh, we got some people over here. But nobody in here. Tracks going somewhere off the trail. Let's go in the snow. All right. I'll put the phone away. It's getting a little cold. I gotta watch these trees. None of them snap and land on me. Let's go out this way.